Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Daniel Kim, President of Grace Road Group, the Minister for Fisheries, the Assistant Minister for Turkey Affairs, Commissioner Weston, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulamanaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. First, let me say what a joy it is for me to be with people out in the community, as I've done in the last couple of days. I have missed this last many months. Today I can speak to you in person, the way human beings interact, the way human beings were meant to interact, and not through a computer or over the phone. Although we are not fully out of the woods yet with COVID, we can see the clearing before us and feel the sun's rays on our faces. Life is slowly returning to normal, and we will regain the life we have known if we stay the course. We have many people to thank for this, but it has been a truly national effort, one in which every fully vaccinated Fijian deserves credit for their sacrifice and their willingness to step forward and be protected. So today, we are dedicating this wonderful new Mart, a project that was executed while we were combating the resurgence of the pandemic. Construction took 8 months. You pressed on, showing hope and confidence, and the result is a facility that will benefit the people in this area and those traveling the highway. Now they have a well-stocked market and a restaurant. They can get a variety of healthy and fresh vegetables, groceries, as well as household and personal products. These are gains you expect in an economy that is modernizing and progressing for the benefit of all people. Such investments can give our citizens a range of choices. This has been one of the key objectives of my government, facilitating enterprise and competition and giving ordinary Fijian a wide range of choices in products and services. Grace Road is enriching the community here, as it is done in so many parts of Fiji. Grace Roads have found underserved communities and brought in retail establishments that give consumers real choice, the sorts of choices that were once limited to only the most densely populated areas of the country. And there's another benefit. Markets, excuse me, markets where people can shop reliably, relax for a while, and see their neighbors become focal points for a community. You have invested wisely and significantly in the enterprises you have built in Fiji. It shows great faith in the Fijian economy and the future of Fiji. Your enterprises are of uniform high quality in appearance, in operation, and efficiency. And I believe you are raising the standard for local retail and restaurant establishments. Most importantly, you are proving that a social commitment and a commercial enterprise can work hand in hand, that businesses can have a great social benefit when service to the community is at the heart of the enterprise. Congratulations to Grace Road Group. I understand you have several new projects in progress, as you have mentioned, Daniel. Thank you. The new Grace Fuels in Vesari, and on the General Bypass Road, and a new Mart in Wailoloa, all of which will improve the lives of the people in the communities in which they are located, because you are giving them choice and convenience. Congratulations also to the people of Sabeto, who have a new development in their community where they can supply their homes, feed their families, enjoy a meal, and socialize with their neighbors and friends. Thank you, and God bless you all.